Stripe and Gravity Forms work together to let you accept payments via Google Pay on your WordPress website. Let's take a look at how to set this functionality up. Hey, this is Dustin from the Gravity team, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up Google Pay with Stripe so you can take payments on your forms. Before we jump in, you'll need to ensure you have Gravity Forms installed and activated, and the Gravity Forms Stripe add-on set up and connected with Stripe. A full guide on using the add-on can be found in the link below. You'll also want to make sure you are using Google Chrome or an Android device in order for the Google Pay button to appear on your forms. To get started, you'll first want to enable Google Pay as a payment option within Stripe. Head to your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Settings page. Select Payments and then click Payment Methods. First, change the default configuration to Gravity Forms by Rocket Genius. Then, under Wallets, find Google Pay, and if it isn't already activated, click Turn On. You'll next need to add your domain as a trusted domain in order to use Google Pay. Select the Google Pay dropdown, click Configure Domains, and then select Add a New Domain. Enter your domain and click Save. Then head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the form you'd like to accept payments with via Stripe, or create a new one using one of our built-in form templates. Add the Stripe field to your form and open the field settings. Make sure Enable Additional Payment Methods is checked so that you can accept payments via Google Pay. Then head to the feed settings for your form and create a new feed. Select the transaction type, then map the form fields to their corresponding Stripe fields and save your settings. Finally, embed your form on a page or post. Now you're ready to start taking payments with Google Pay thanks to Stripe and Gravity Forms. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. And for all things Gravity Forms, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.